How do patients find doctors today? Are you a dentist, pediatrician, eye specialist, med spa, dermat, plastic surgeon, or some other specialist? And do you want to know how patients find doctors today? Well, you need to understand the patient journey, and this is the video you must watch. Hi, I'm Harshal Limer, founder and CEO at Marketing Doctor and an educator extraordinaire at mypractice101.com, the site that teaches you how to be successful in your practice. At any point of the video, if you like what you're watching, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Every patient goes through 5 different stages in their search for a doctor, and this is called the patient journey. The journey could begin with searching on the internet. Your patients are searching for terms such as dentist near me, how much do braces cost, how to get rid of acne, does insurance cover LASIK surgery, or the best plastic surgeon near me, and so on. You get the point. So what's happening here? Number one, your patients are looking for information about a procedure or a treatment and how much it costs. And number two, your patients are looking for the best doctor nearby to provide that service. This stage of the patient journey is called the awareness stage. At this stage, you make your patients aware of who you are and what you do. Branding comes into play at this stage. There are different ways to create and build your brand, and in the traditional way, you would go and put some signs or billboards, engage in PR activity, or send direct mailers to all the households in your area. And all that is great. But at the same time, it is important to build a strong digital presence. This starts with a website for your clinic that is optimized for the local searches for the terms your patients are searching for. The next stage in the patient journey is interest. At this stage, your patients are aware about you and are interested to know what you have to offer. They want to know, do you accept medical insurance? What are your office hours? Are you open late evenings or on the weekends? Where's your clinic located? Patients come to doctors today with loads of information thanks to the internet and the YouTube University. But are they well informed? Most of the time they're not. In fact, they're more confused with all that information that they've gathered, and they're looking for a doctor or a specialist they can trust to help them and give them the best possible medical advice and care. Next up is the desire stage. At this stage, your patients are aware of you and the services you provide and indicate a desire to get your services. This is when they will start reaching out to you via a phone call or an email, or maybe by submitting a form on your contact us page. These are your patient leads. And as a medical office or a clinic, at this stage, you want to make it clear to your patients what your practice has to offer, your experience, your credentials, and why you're different. You may want to send them monthly specials. So for example, if you're a dental clinic, maybe you're running a special on dental exam or x-ray. If you're a med spa, maybe you're running a free RF microneedling service with the purchase of Botox. Or if you're a hair loss clinic, maybe you're giving out a 45-minute free consultation with the trichologist. The action stage is when your patients are ready to take an action. For example, set up an appointment with you or walk into your clinic. At this stage, you want to make sure your patients are comfortable taking that action. So let's say if you're charging a fee for consultation, make it clear to them what the price is. Or if they're insurance patients, make sure that your medical office accepts their insurance plan. The last stage in the patient journey is called post-action. This is the stage after your patients have taken an action. For example, booking an appointment with you. At this stage, you want to make sure you send out appointment confirmations and reminders. Make it clear to your patients what they need to bring to the appointment, if it's lab test reports or insurance cards if applicable. Remember that the patient journey is not necessarily linear, and your patients can go back and forth and all around. As a medical office or a clinic, you must understand your patients are going through different stages so that you can interact and communicate with them with the right message and help them move along this journey to become your patients. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your colleagues. Every Sunday, I bring fresh new content on this channel with tips and lessons to make you successful in your practice. Stay tuned and see you next week.